We've got 3 options for a foot massage using a massage ball in this video. The feet can get a little bit tight. It's one of the areas you may not realise it does get particularly tight. Just because of really the area that most people will be walking on a day-to-day basis. Typically it's fairly flat, and so you don't really get the ups, downs that you would do if you were walking out in the countryside. So we're using a Spikey massage ball. It's the personal preference, Spikey. You can have a smooth one, so a tennis ball. Just see really what works well for you. The ball just increases the blood flow into the area that you're working in and can help reduce tension. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from Physiofit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. Your first exercise you're going to try with the ball, you're going to place it on the floor and you're going to get your foot on it. Now this one, you're going to roll the ball from the heel of the foot all the way down to the front of the foot. So that's your motion, forward and backwards, fairly easy. You can split the foot into a few different sections, so you can start at the heel and you can work on the inside part of the foot, so that gets the arch on the inside. You can get the ball a little bit more centrally down the foot, work that area, and you can get the ball to the outside of the foot. But really, as with all of these techniques using the ball and massage, just got to be fairly comfortable. You can also, if you want to, just roll it around in a circle. I'd suggest a minute or 2, doesn't need to be too long on one side, and then you're going to go over onto the other side. Your second exercise with the ball for the foot, you're going to squash the ball with your toes. So the ball's at the front, toes are on the ball and your heel is on the floor. And then what you're going to do is take a step forwards with your other leg. So I've got the ball on my left leg, so stepping forwards with my right. This will give you a little bit of a calf stretch as well as just increasing the tension and pressure around the front of the foot. So your options when you do the step, you can either count 2 or 3 lots of 10 repetitions, or you can do the minute or 2 before moving on to the other side. Your third suggestion is with the ball now on the heel of the foot, so toes are on the floor, heel of the foot is on the ball. Take your weight and you're going to do your step forwards again. So this one just increases the weight through the heel of the foot. You can even angle it a little bit so you can get the midfoot. This one does really depend on how large the ball is. If you've got a small one, it might be just a little bit easier. If you've got a large one, it can be just a little bit tricky just with the foot placement. But yeah, back of the foot on the ball, stepping forwards, 1 or 2 minutes at a time, or your 2 or 3 lots of 10. So those are your 3 suggestions. Try 1 or all 3. I tend to find with the ball, if I have it in or around where my desk is, then when I'm sitting down on the computer or on the phone, then I can just get the ball out and massage my foot, which I find can be fairly effective. Just see what works for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you soon.